wraps it up for the Del Sol. Came out pretty good. It's not perfect. Didn't get the bodywork perfect. Still got some cleaning up to do with it. But overall, I am very, very happy with what we took this car to from what it was. This car's been curing up for a couple months now. As you guys can see, the Glamour Clear has a very, very high gloss to it. This is only 2 coats of the production Glamour Clear. Not wet sanded, not buffed. I just washed it, that's all. Very, very nice gloss to it. Very happy. So that wraps up for this restoration. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.